Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to use Incognito mode in Android Chrome. We start by opening Chrome on our phone. Then, to open a new Incognito window, we will click on the three dots at the top and then choose the new Incognito tab option. We will see that a new Incognito tab opens where we can browse in a more private way. To add a new Incognito tab, once you have performed the search, you will see the icon above to add a new tab. If you want to switch between Incognito mode and normal mode, you can click on the top tab where the number of windows will appear. After that, you will see two icons where both the normal and Incognito browsing tabs will be organized, so click on the one you want to open and then click on the tab. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.